Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss our next chapter, chapter 3, our food. Why we eat food? Because food gives us energy and make our body healthy. So food is very important for us. We eat different types of food. For example, dal chawal, chapati, vegetable, etc. India is a very big country and Indian people eat different type of food. So dear student, today we will discuss different type of food we eat in India. Let's start. You can see here in this picture there are different type of foods we eat in India. मक्की की रोटी and सरसों का साग from Punjab. And Punjab is not state of India. मक्की की रोटी और सरसों का साग from Punjab. Dosa sambar from Tamil Nadu. And Tamil Nadu is south state of India. नॉर्थ में हम क्या खाते हैं? मक्की की रोटी, सरसों का साग, और साउथ में वी ईट डोसा सांबर. फिश एंड राइस फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल. And West Bengal is the east state of India. We eat fish and rice from West Bengal. Dal bhati churma from Rajasthan. And Rajasthan is the west state of India. It is the west side of India. So, dal bhati churma from Rajasthan and goshtaba from Kashmir. Wow! And Kashmir is not state of India. The list of mouth watering dishes from different part of India is endless. You can see in India we eat different type of food. In Punjab we eat makki ki roti. Tamil Nadu we eat dosa sambar. West Bengal we eat fish and rice. Dal bhati churma from Rajasthan and goshtaba from Kashmir. These are the different dishes we can have in the different place of India. There is great variety of food items available in different part of India. As I told you, we can have different type of food in a different part of India. Each area has its own specialty and a visit to that place is incomplete without tasting it. If we visit डिफरेंट प्लेस ऑफ इंडिया और हम बिना खाए वहाँ से इन वैरायटी को आते हैं तो ये इनकम्प्लीट है हमारे लिए, पूरा नहीं है कि हमने पूरा वो स्टेट घूमी है, हमने उसको इन्जॉय किया है, उसके कल्चर को, उसके खाने को. Whenever we visit any place, we should eat their food, different type of food they cooked. Can anyone visit Kolkata and not eat रसगुल्ला? क्या आपने कभी कोलकाता विजिट किया है और बिना खाए आए हैं रसगुल्ले को? एंड मिष्टी दोही और go to Nagpur and not taste सोन पापड़ी. कोलकाता में रसगुल्ला एंड मिष्टी दोही एंड इन नागपुर व्हाट इज़ फेमस? सोन पापड़ी. आप कभी घूमने गए हो और बिना इसको खाए, इन डिशेस को खा के वापस आए हो? ऐसा हुआ है कभी? There are some dishes that are cooked only on special occasion like festivals, marriage or birth of a child. Like in India, in a different special occasions, we cook different type of dishes. For example, in Holi and in Diwali, we make gujiyas. If there is any marriage, we always make laddu, और the birth of a child, तभी लड्डू बनते हैं और डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते हैं. So there are some dishes that are cooked only on special occasion, whether it is any festival, marriage, birth of a child. Modak is made during the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. On Ganesh Chaturthi, what we made modak, because God Ganesha like modak very much, and we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi in Maharashtra. No marriage ceremony is complete without laddu and barfi. As I discussed, on marriage ceremony we made laddu and barfi. So different occasion पर different चीज़ें बनती है. In North India, the mother of a newborn baby is fed panjiri. What we use to make panjiri? Wheat or green gram flours with dry fruits. पंजीरी को बनाने के लिए हम ये सब चीज़ें डालते हैं, और ये कब बनती है? जब कोई मदर किसी बेबी को जन्म देती है, जब न्यू बॉर्न बेबी होता है तब उसकी मदर को ये चीज़ें खाने के लिए दी जाती है. तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट द डिफरेंट फूड इन द डिफरेंट रीजन इन इंडिया, एंड on a special occasion like festival, marriage, birth of the child, we cooked different type of dishes. Like on Ganesh Chaturthi we made modak, and marriage ceremony we made laddu and barfi. If the mother give birth to any child, we made panjiri. So dear student, that's all for the day. Tomorrow we will continue our chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.